Mom and peace. Peace. Morning.
Say how you doing.
How you doing? Hi. Hi.
So what are you doing today?
I'm here.
Yeah, you're here, but what are you about to play with?
I play with Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. What color Play-Doh do you have?
That's pink.
Good girl. What color does Brielle have?
Those have orange.
No, not orange.
This is yellow.
Yellow. Good girl.
I got yellow.
Okay, what are you going to make with your Play-Doh?
I'm gonna make triangle.
Triangles? You're going to make shapes?
Make shapes.
Okay, what else you going to make?
We're gonna make.
Brielle's stuck right now. Look at Brielle.
We're gonna make noodles.
She's going to make noodles?
Yes.
Okay, what else are you going to make?
She's gonna make bread.
Bread? Okay, what else are you going to make?
I'm gonna make pizza.
Pizza? Okay. Hi.
Hey!
Okay, say, let's go play Play-Doh.
Let's go play Play-Doh. Let's go, guys. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, I'm gonna open Brielle's. That's Brielle's.
Don't eat it. I'm gonna make it. Don't eat it.
What you making?
I'm making pizza.
Okay. You gotta show me when you're done.
Okay.
Gotta show everyone. What kind of pizza you making? Cheese, pepperoni, chicken. What kind of pizza?
Nugget.
Nugget?
Yeah.
Nugget pizza?
No, nugget on it.
Oh, okay. Three. What are you making?
So making noodles.
Noodles? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make noodles.
Let me hear your ABCs, Brielle. A, B.
I, C, Alpha, R, B.
Good girl.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I turn around.
So you can see us.
Hmm?
So you can see us. Let me see.
Do you want to play with mine? Do you want to play with mine?
Thank you.
Welcome. She's not shouting.
No.
You make a flower?
Hmm?
You make a flower?
I'll make a heart.
Huh?
Make a heart.
There you go. Make a heart? We're going to make a mess. We're going to make a mess. Don't be all make a mess.
Okay. Are you making a mess?
No.
Okay.
Let's put it back in.
Okay.
Go. I got a new one.
How many pizzas you got?
1, 2.
Good girl.
Wait. Bye. Making a hot dog.
You making hot dogs?
Uh-huh.
Don't forget the bread.
Okay, I'm gonna get the bread.
Okay. Ooh.
This is mine.
Let me see you, Bree. Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Huh?
Ball?
Now, do you want to make my ball? Not this.
Aw, man. You squished it.
Let
Aw,
me help
man.
you. Now, let me help you.
You making another one? Let's see how many you can make.
I'll make it all of them.
Okay. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. You roll it. Uh-oh. Roll it.
Yeah.
Roll it, roll it, roll it. Good girl. Oh man, you squished it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good girl. 5. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. You squished down. Oh no. Oh no. What you make?
I make fingers.
What you make?
I make finger.
Your hand?
Yeah, my hand.
Your hand print.
My hand print.
Yep. Good job. What you making now?
I make a pizza.
More pizza? Oh my goodness. That's a lot of pizza.
I'm gonna poke it.
You poking it? Look, what did mommy make?
I make a flower.
You like it?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got pen in here.
Okay.
I make a pizza again. Again?
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
How many pieces you have over there?
This one.
Yeah, how many?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. 1. This one.
And what color is your Play-Doh again?
It's still pink.
Yep, it's pink.
What was this? This is the little one.
Yep, that's a little one.
I gotta make a lot.
What did you make?
I make pizza.
Okay. You want to count how many pieces you have? All your slices?
Yeah, almost slices.
All right, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Oh, let's try again. Ready?
11, 12.
Nope, start with 1.
1, 2, 3.
Look, start with this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4,
7.
7, 8, 9, 10, 4,
10,
10,
11.
11.
11 slices. That's a big pizza.
Look,
I'm
gonna do a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're gonna make burgers.
Good girl.
Mommy.
Yeah, what you making?
I make a flower.
Okay. Ooh, what you making, Bree?
She's making flower.
She making a flower too?
Yes.
Oh, so pretty. Bree. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
Butterfinger, where are you?
Here I am.
How do you do? Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
Daddy finger, where are you? Harry, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Harry, how do you do? We done. I'm not done yet.
What you got?
Okay.
Oh, it's okay. That's your flower?
Yes.
So pretty. Turn it around. Let me see. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Ooh, good job.
Cheese.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Look.
Bye-bye.
Say,
See ya.
see you in the next one.
I'll see you next one.
Hope you enjoyed our Play-Doh.
I'll play back on.
Say bye-bye. You say.
Bye.
Good girl.